What is good, everyone? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today is February 5th, 2026. I'm gonna be going over the trade I am that I took it today. Um, so yesterday I did ended up blowing my 35 lighting funded account. It was just pretty unfortunate, but I had a break even month, and then yesterday I took one trade, got mad, my emotions got kick in, but it is what it is. So I ended up buying this My Fund the Futures Daily Payout account, the Rapid account, and I spent $855 today. So yeah, let's go on over let's go on over in price action. Let's go on over price action. Just log out of my trade away. So coming into market open at 9:30 right here. So today was kind of like a weird day, just because we were like consolidating, and we were just consolidating, and I wanted to see if I wanted short, if I wanted long, so I wanted to see a sell side get swept and then get tap into the hourly gap that we format. Uh, what is it? This hourly gap that we format 8. So market open right here. Wait. Oh yeah, it's right here. All right. Market open here 9:30, and we ended up sweeping the sell side right here 9:30. we we had this sell side right here, so you could have taken longs. We open up a devil's mark here too. So for the people who don't know what a devil mark is, it's just like um it's just literally a, well, you cannot see it now, but it's just a candle we know wick on top. So most of the time, like candles, as you guys can see here, has a wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here on top, one here, here, one here on the bottom, one here on the top, one here on the bottom. So you guys can see even this one right here. You cannot see it, but just pretty short. So price is always gonna go higher and make a wick and then go to the direction that it wants to go to. So I wanted to take this trade, this one, towards the hourly gap, which was a 50-minute internal high too. I wanted to take the setup, but I guess we just like, I didn't have any entries, and I was gonna set a limit order here at the fair value gap low, but I had to open it. I had to open my trading view app again because it was not loading for some reason. So um, I guess I didn't. I couldn't got fill in this one, but I ended up getting a much better trade where it was, as I say, like we were like just accumulating in the high time frame. We just like manipulated higher to this 50-minute, for value gap, and then we have a 5-minute too right here, which is more in discount, but I didn't care too much since we already rebalanced all the leg. We already rebalanced the leg right here. 0.602, 0.705. If you want to like top take, you can set up limit order here. 0.705. Each inside of our value gap. Yeah. So we can go over another video on how to top take and bottom take, but whatever. So we had an SMT with this 50-minute gap right here. As you guys can see, ES did not take it. ES did not took this 50-minute gap. NQ did. That's right. Well, this 5-minute gap. It's like, yeah, this 5-minute gap. We got a SMT with this 5-minute gap and with the 50-minute too, right here. So I don't expect ES. Once there's an SMT with a free value gap, you don't have to expect dealer pair to go there. So that's why I didn't care about ES trying to go to a 50-minute. That's why I took this 5-minute. And then the high frame inversion, we had 10 a.m. We had jobs openings at 10. I don't really care too much about jobs opening. It just doesn't have that much volume on the market. I don't really care. Like this was the 10 a.m. open right here. It was just like a week. The only thing that I did was set up a limit order here, and I ended up getting filled for a much better risk reward. But so I set up my. I was just waiting for this 5 minutes to get inverse, and I ended up getting filled like around here, around here. I put for a target at 101. It's gonna have like a 101 right here. This was the trade I ended up taking, and I ended up closing right about here, just because we had that SMT with ES. So it doesn't matter if it ended up taking the 930 low. It doesn't really matter. Just I'm just trying to get the highest probability trade. So yeah, guys, that's the trade I ended up taking today. Those are the two trades you could have taken today. Beautiful trades, A plus. Like you had this 1 minute inversion upside. You kept targeted 15 minute. We'll have TP. Like beautiful trade. Like what else is like? I mean, if you got fill here, will be like a 101 around that. Kind of like a 101. Just got full like a 101 here. Or if you got tapped here with a limit order, you have got a way better risk reward, like almost a 102 or R. Such a great trade. And then we had this one, which is I think I like it more. We had an SMT. SMT doesn't really matter. It's just a confluence that it adds up to a trade. It doesn't really matter too much. So this rate, 50 minute, 930 wick. That's your take profit. So yeah, guys. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this trade recap, and see you guys on the next one.